My friend Dan and I had scooted halfway around the island. We stopped to take in a view here at a beach called Praia Norte. And a few days later, back with Wendy, I enjoyed the view with a colorful addition. Wendy had never been around her island. It was all new to her. Taking a hot scooter right there, our moto, and we're gonna drive over there into the sunset.
Moço, vou ter coragem, mas...
Já, nós queremos agora.
Tramo coisa com esse capacete feio. Não. Hello, guys.
Hello, guys. We look ugly. Wendy thinks we look ugly. Oh, we can knock it. Wendy, tá pronta, bye?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Pronta, bye.
No, bye. She is ready. Look at that. Boy, is she ready? So we continued on through this valley. Earlier, Dan and I looked for some refreshments we had been told about around here, and the only place we found was here, where we were served with a generous smile. Lastly, I brought Dan to the asshole.
And it's one of my favorite bars in Mindelo, called the Asshole. It is good.
Well, I got the boat back to myself. Just dropped off Daniel. Dan, man, at a taxi. He must be at the airport. It's about 10 minutes away. Man, we had a great time. He had the perfect weather. Wow, what a tourist guide presentation of Cabo Verde and 3 of its islands, huh? Anyways, whew, now I get the boat back to myself, and tonight I get to see and hang out with Wendy. Been a long time. Missed that beautiful girl. Now time to relax on the boat, clean it up, and think about house guests. You love when they come over, but you love it even more when they leave. For an old fart, sea dog, selfish old dude like me, yeah, love having people around, but at the same time, I can't wait till they go home and I have the place back to myself. Okay, now that Daniel's gone, had a great time. I'm gonna finish up the steering column because I had it done fast as possible so I could get over there and pick up Daniel. So it needs another coat of paint. It needs to be properly sealed down at the bottom there where the screws are. So I'm gonna do that today. There's a few other things that I have to do before we get going again. I think I'm gonna stay here during the month of December though, until the New Year's. Well, if you look out at my famous harbor view, most amazing harbor view in all of Cabo Verde. There's people cruising around in their Zodiacs. There's a boat coming in to the marina, sailboat. Out there, there's a pirate ship, probably a school boat, and then there's also another 2-masted big boat, maybe some luxury cruise boat. And then the most other amazing thing that we have out here is my floor in the cockpit has been completely repainted, all nice to accommodate the new steering. And the whole column is just absolutely beautiful. I just need to touch up the little bits here, pull off the tape, and we're all done. I'm pretty freaking pleased with myself on this one. That's life on my mooring in Mindelo, Cabo Verde, Africa. My friend Jean is leaving. He's been here almost as long as I have. He came just a couple months after me. He said he's finally bailing from Cabo Verde. He's going to Senegal, Gambia. So maybe we'll see him there when we finally go there with Wendy, Inshallah. I'm gonna go say goodbye. Let's go say goodbye to Jean. Alors, cher ami Jean, Marin Jean.
Non, prends slip.
Mais pourquoi t'es sexy? Jean nous quitte. He's going.
That's right. Jean, whom I first met in the Canary Islands, is sailing east to the Gambia, where he'll be meeting his girl Armelle. Jean, also Swiss, is famous for cooking up cheese fondue wherever he goes, with cheeses he can find locally, bringing our famous form of wholesome nutrition to distant shores. Jean sailed to Cabo Verde aboard this boat, a ferro-cement replica of the legendary Joshua Ketch. But later he acquired a second boat and has put the yellow Joshua boat up for sale. So if anyone's interested, let me know.
Well, there goes Jean, sailing off into the distance.
The world is small, so I'm sure we'll meet again. Au revoir, Jean. Back on Galopin, I am not alone.
I have a bit of a problem here. The little teeny ants. Look, this one is bringing food somewhere. I gotta figure out why or where, so I can evacuate these stowaways. And they're so small, they don't really bug me, but then sometimes I do feel them crawling on me.
Anyone have any solutions?
Well, this is what is called the Bruma Seca, dry mist. It's sand from the Sahara Desert that's being carried over by the winds. And it's actually sunny out here, but it's completely dusty. And it gets on everything, it's everywhere. It's just strange, gloomy, apocalyptic. But that's Cabo Verde. It'll go away soon, hopefully. You can't see hardly anything. The airport is actually closed. Planes can't fly in this stuff. So fine, I guess it gets into the engines and the visibility is bad, man. That's Bruma Seca, my ladies and gentlemen. A dry mist.
I think the new year will clear the way.
Crazy ambiance here, man. Hanging out with Wendy, Alcinda, her mom, and Jessica, her sister. Alcinda mal su prima danzando. New Year's. This is crazy, man.
This road, the sun is a crazy!
Crazy, man. It's doido.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. this Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.